Hey guys, it's Kay. Look at this beautiful sunny day and I'm modeling this beautiful bouquet I just made a mock-up for a bride. It consists of premium artificial, dried and preserved flowers, so join me as I make it. So first guys, just again, this does include premium high quality realistic florals. They do look and feel real. These have, I have hydrangeas here. I'm going to use this beautiful blush pink rose. Just take a look at that. Take a look at that. It's beautiful. I also have my linears and my dried and preserved fillers. So guys, when you're starting your bouquet, you just want to think of the shape that you want, up, down, if you want it to look like a football, traditionally round, looking at you, looking towards your guests. If you want it to drape, look like a cascade, it's up to you. But for this particular example, I'm just going to keep it traditional, figure it out as I go along. So right now, guys, I'm just adding in the soft blush roses. When you're adding them in, you want to give them some space apart. You want them to be a little elevated from the base flower, which is the hydrangea. Give them some space, give them some depth. This creates the full shape and formation of the bouquet. I'm adding in smaller rose accents to give it that beautiful bouquet look. And as I go, I'm filling it in with the baby's breath and the orange leaf as well to make it look more soft, more beautiful, and also more appealing to your guests, as well as when the bride looks at it, she wants to look down at something very beautiful as well. If there's any holes, you want to just fill those in. I'm just going to add in another hydrangea here. And I'm looking in the mirror as I go because, again, you want to look at it how the guests will see it and also how the bride will be looking down on it. And once you're comfortable with the shape, guys, you can add in your linears, change and edit any corner of the bouquet that you like, and then you kind of test it out, feel it, look at it, and fix up as you go along. So guys, this is pretty much it for the example for now. I hope you like it. This is just a mock-up design, and if you have any different styles or questions, let me know.